This is the Blogger dashboard, and you will arrive at the Blogger dashboard after you have completely registered your new Google account. Now, this is a web page that shows an overview of all of your Blogger sites. It's worth noting that Blogger tends to change the layout of its sites from time to time, and in the last year they've completely redesigned the user interface, which should remain in place for the foreseeable future. But if you find that your Blogger experience is not the same as what you are looking at on screen at the moment, then please leave a comment in the comment section of this Udemy course, and I'll investigate it, and if necessary I'll update the course materials. So beginning from the top, the black navigation bar. This is running across the top of your screen, and this is your Google navigation bar and gives you instant access to all of the Google products that are now available to you since you've set up your new Google account. Many of these services can be integrated with your Blogger site later on, but for now you just need to be aware that they are there. Below the black navigation bar to the left hand side is the Blogger dashboard button. If when you create a number of different Blogger sites, clicking this logo will bring you back to the dashboard, which is what you're looking at the moment, and you'll have an overview of all of the Blogger sites that you have created. Below the navigation bar to the right hand side is your Google account information. That's this information here. This lets you know which account you are signed into and any alert messages for your account, and also a share button. You can view any alert messages by clicking on the red number, and a preview box will come up and will be pretty self-explanatory. Below your Google account information are two settings buttons. One will allow you to change the language preferences, and the other, indicated by this cog symbol, will allow you to edit the settings of your Blogger account. Some of the options within the edit settings tool is Blogger Help, which links to the support.google.com/blogger page. This is a valuable asset for the Blogger beginner, and most questions have already been answered there. We'll just click on that to show you what that looks like. And it's got loads of how-tos, getting started, questions, and it is a really great resource for you to look at if you've got anything that goes wrong or anything you're unsure of. Below the two setting buttons over to the left hand side is a button that says New Blog, and to the right is a pale blue box that prompts you to create your first blog. We will come back to this in a later session, but eventually the details of each of your Blogger sites will add to this section here. As part of your account, you are able to have up to 100 Blogger sites. Yes, that's 100 sites available to you for free. Below the pale blue Create Your Blog Now box is a section entitled Reading List, which is here, which will store the details of any Blogger sites that you choose to follow. This will allow you to see all of your favourite Blogger sites in one place rather than have to search for them individually. Google automatically includes the updates from the Blogger Buzz site, which is down here. Blogger Buzz site, which is the official blog for Blogger updates. This is a fantastic resource for new features on Blogger, and certainly worth paying attention to. You can visit the site independently on www.buzz.blogger.com. At the very bottom of the page are some links to important information, such as the Help Center, Terms of Service, Privacy, Content Policy, information for developers, and Google or Blogger on Google+. So this completes the tour of the the Blogger dashboard. So now it's time to create your first Blogger site.